Skin allergies can cause discomfort and irritation, affecting your daily life. They often result from exposure to allergens, such as certain foods, plants, or chemicals. Fortunately, there are simple home remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms of skin allergies. In this article, we will explore some effective remedies that you can try at home. Understanding skin allergies. Skin allergies occur when your immune system reacts to a foreign substance. Common allergens include pollen, pet dander, certain medications, and foods. Symptoms can vary but typically include redness, itching, swelling, and rashes. While it's important to consult a healthcare professional for severe reactions, mild cases can often be managed with simple remedies. Simple remedies for skin allergies. Cold compress. A cold compress can provide immediate relief from itching and inflammation. Simply wrap ice cubes in a clean cloth or use a cold pack and apply it to the affected area for 10-15 minutes. This can help numb the area and reduce swelling. Oatmeal baths. Colloidal oatmeal is known for its soothing properties. Adding it to your bath can relieve itching and irritation. To prepare an oatmeal bath, grind plain oats into a fine powder and add it to warm bath water. Soak for 15-20 minutes to help calm your skin. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory and has cooling properties. Applying pure aloe vera gel directly to the affected area can help soothe irritated skin. It also aids in healing, making it a great remedy for rashes and sunburn. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains fatty acids that can moisturize the skin and reduce inflammation. Apply a thin layer of organic coconut oil to the affected area to help restore moisture and improve the skin's barrier function. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Dilute it with equal parts water and apply it to the skin with a cotton ball. This can help reduce itching and prevent infections. However, it's essential to patch test first, as it may irritate sensitive skin. Baking soda paste. Baking soda can help relieve itching and irritation. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water to create a paste. Apply it to the affected area for about 10-15 minutes, then rinse off. This can help soothe inflamed skin. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties and can help reduce inflammation. Dilute a few drops of tea tree oil in a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and apply to the affected area. It's important to do a patch test first, as some people may have sensitivity to tea tree oil. Chamomile tea compress. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm the skin. Brew a strong cup of chamomile tea, let it cool, and soak a clean cloth in it. Apply it as a compress to the affected area for relief. When to seek medical attention. While these remedies can be effective for mild skin allergies, it's essential to seek medical advice if you experience severe symptoms such as difficulty breathing, swelling of the face or throat, or if the rash worsens or spreads. A healthcare professional can provide appropriate treatments and advice tailored to your condition. Conclusion. Skin allergies can be bothersome, but simple home remedies can provide relief and comfort. From cold compresses to natural oils, there are various options to explore. Always remember that everyone's skin is different, so finding what works best for you may take some experimentation. If symptoms persist or worsen, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Your skin deserves the best care.